Before attempting to use your new LG NeoChef countertop microwave oven, you'll need to set the clock on the control panel. Plug the unit into a dedicated power outlet. A melody will sound, and the clock defaults to the 12-hour clock mode, and 12H appears in the display. Open the microwave oven door and press the plus button repeatedly to toggle between the 24-hour and 12-hour clock mode. Press enter to set the clock mode. To set the time of day, press plus or minus to select the desired hour, and press enter to set the hour. Press plus or minus to select the desired minutes, and press enter to finish setting the time of day. To set the kitchen timer, open the microwave oven door, press clear on the control panel, press timer once, 10 seconds appears in the display. Set your desired time by pressing the plus or minus button until your desired time appears in the display. Press enter to start the timer. The countdown appears in the display. To cancel the timer, open the microwave oven door and press timer once. The display returns to the time of day. Note, when the kitchen timer finishes, a melody will sound and the word end appears in the display.